Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Lightly Noor. So today I'm going to talk about how to get job referrals. So if you are also the one who is looking for a job and you are reaching out to people asking for a job referral but no one is helping you out, then I highly recommend that you watch this video till the end, because I am usually at the other end of the table where people reach out to me for job referrals, so I can guide you on the do's and don'ts and what not to do and how to strategize these and how to use your connections in the most effective manner to get job referrals. First of all, let me tell you, connection is a key in this age. So I highly recommend that you stay connected to your college seniors, to your college teachers, to your peers and colleagues from your previous organization. IT is a very small world. You never know when your paths would cross and when you need referrals from those people. So stay in touch. Now coming to the main point, that how to ask for a referral. First, let me give you two don'ts, things which you should stop doing it if you are doing it, and then I'll eventually move towards the strategy which you should use to get the referral. Stop commenting on random posts of everyone stating interested or giving your email ID. No one has that much of time to review your LinkedIn profile and then reach out to you for a job. Second thing which you should stop doing it right now is cold messaging, cold DM stating मुझे ले लो अपने company में, मुझे refer कर दो. You can do a cold DM, you can cold comment on any post which you want to, but there has to be a little strategy around it. So the strategy is that you need to do a little research, a little effort before you reach out to your connection. So आप जिस भी company में job लेना चाहते हो, you go to the website of that company. Nowadays, every company has their own website, whether it's a big or small, and they post their job openings in their website. So you go to their website and you look for the opening which is relevant to your experience, your education, or your interest. You take the job ID. So most of the job openings has a unique job ID. I'm talking about Amazon, it has a job ID, but the other companies too would have a unique code against each opening. If not, वो भी नहीं समझ आ रहा है, तो you just copy paste the URL and then you reach out to your connection stating, hi, I came across this opening in your company and I think that I am suitable for this profile. Would you be able to refer me to this opening? This is so much better than a random DM stating that, hey, please refer me. Do you think anyone has that much of time to go through your LinkedIn profile, then go back to their company's website, look for a relevant profile which matches your experience, and then refer you? Not even your friends are going to do it. I'm so sorry. I know my friends are going to kill me for this. But even I sometimes tend to forget or delay this because it takes a lot of effort to go back to my company's website, look for a relevant job which matches to your profile, and then refer you. Instead, if someone just sends me the link or the job ID and the resume, it's just a matter of few clicks and I refer them. So put yourself in this situation that there are two people who is reaching out to you for a referral. Person A is telling you that I have a 10 years of experience in web development. Please refer me to a relevant position in your company. While person B is sending you the link and the resume and asking you to refer, which person you're most likely to refer? Of course, person B, because it's just a matter of clicks. Whereas for person A, you need to do that research for him and then refer him. No one has that much of time, right? So next time you want a referral from anyone, do a little bit of research by yourself. Send the job ID or the job link. People are going to refer you in minutes. Second thing which I asked you to stop was cold DM. You can post a cold comment. You need to make a two-liner pitch about your experience and your interest, and then you use that pitch when you are cold emailing or cold messaging people or commenting in random post. That makes a difference. When you're reaching out to your recruiter, use that pitch to reach out. Just sending your resume or sending your email ID or commenting interested on the post is not going to help you. You need to do the research by yourself. You need to put in the hard work. If there are many times when I ask people that here's the job portal of my company, please go through it and let me know which is the profile suitable to you, and then I'll refer you, and people never come back to me. So if you are not willing to do that hard work for yourself, why would anyone else do it for you? Remember one thing, job hunting is itself a full-time job. So you need to have a right strategy and a right approach towards it. That's all for today. Hope this video adds a little value to your job hunting experience. If yes, please do like this video, share this video with your friends, with your siblings, with your colleagues so that it helps them too. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me. Stay tuned and good luck.